They are back. Yes, you have heard me correct. They are finally back. I am so glad that Mattel have decided to continue this line of the colour changes. Some people might think they are a bit bad, but in my opinion, they are really good because you get pretty much two variants of one car. Yes, they may be plastic, but they are some pretty cool cars. Here is Francesco, for example, and yeah, they may be plastic, as you can definitely tell or feel, but they change colours. And here is a World Grand Prix Lightning McQueen that I had, and he's not seen in this colour in the movie. Now, we've got even some cooler cars and some next gens, which makes it even much better. This is only case A. Now, before I get into this, I do know the case contents. I've already opened it up. There is no H.J. Hollis and Bobby Swift in this case. They are in the next case, case B. So I'll definitely be purchasing that one. And yeah, so let's move this aside quickly. And before we get onto the unboxing of case A, we would like to show that there has been some Cars 3 colour changes out before of Dinoco, Cruz, Ramirez and Jackson Storm. Of course, I never opened these up as they are pretty rare. They're about £35 each, especially from China. They are the colour changes, as you can see, colour changes, and they do change colour. But we also got a new variant of Jackson Storm, which he is the Piston Cup champion version, as you can see there, or might be able to see there. So yeah, and this was in 2017, 2018, mostly found in France and Mexico. Never really came to the UK. Yep, here is the packaging for Jackson Storm. Cold water is between 0 and 10 degrees, and hot water to change it back to the colour it should be is 35 to 42 degrees. So that is just some important information. Now, I am going to keep these in the background for the video here. But yeah, so without babbling on, let's start off with the case unboxing of case A. It is a very nice case, as you can see. We've got some pretty nice cars, so let's turn on the flashlight here. Right, let's start off with the boring side. Actually, I might have to get this out over here because I don't want to knock over the camera. They are proving to be hard to get out, actually. Most of the work for these guys to get out. How have you guys been recently? Especially with COVID-19 going around. Anyways, here is the first one out. You might have saw Mattel as well earlier. And here is Francesco. As you can see, the packaging is way much shorter. As you can see, we can fit the whole artwork on the screen nearly. Yep. Here is Francesco and here is Mattel. Very interesting cars to choose for a re-release. I mean, yeah, Francesco is cool. As you can see, 2 in 1. As you can see, there's the back, made in none other than Vietnam. So they are new variants. There's the normal colour of Francesco, and then there's the blue colour. This is like a steel blue Francesco, pretty much. And of course, they put the American spelling of colour on here, and on the other packaging they put the English Mattel. Very nice. There's Francesco. Up next, we've got Mattel. Very nice. Here's the old Mattel. So, yeah, I believe he does change to a different colour too. There's his brand new paint job, and he goes to purple, which is pretty nice. That is it for those cars. I've got all these cars from now on are pretty much new. Let's get on with the boring cars first. Here's Cruz Ramirez, or Dinoco Cruz Ramirez. Again, you can see the colour difference in this packaging to what it should change to. I believe, yeah, it does change to the same colour, so we don't really need to check that. But you can see the colour difference, what it should be. Sorry for the reflection there, guys. Up next, we're going to do the next 2 boring cars. We do get 2 in this case, so that is very nice. Might open one up, but then again, colour changes are plastic, and I'm not a fan of plastic cars. Here is Jackson Storm. As you can see, it is the champion version. My camera tries to focus. Champion Jackson Storm. Very nice. This is artwork. It is a variant to the other blue one. So yeah, be sure to pick him up, because he is different. Up next, we got, I wouldn't say a boring release, because we haven't had this one before. That is a completely brand new release for this case, and that is Cars 3 Lightning McQueen. Now this is the Cars 3 Lightning McQueen, because it's got the Cars 3 paint job and Cars 3 artwork there, and the 95 under the headlight. So let me know what your thoughts are on these colour changes and the Lightning McQueen. Very nice. It does change to yellow, and then to red for the normal colour. Very nice. So that is the new release. We've got one last new release, and this is my favourite release from the case. Paul Conrev. Yes, Paul Conrev is in this case too, which is a next gen, and it looks cool. I just gotta say it now, it looks cool. I have my doubts, but on camera, you might not be able to tell on camera, but it is way different. And he's even got those bigger window bars or things there. There's his artwork. Very nice. There's the back. You can see that he goes from white to a very dark orange. So yeah, that is the colour changes video. Let me know in the comments below which is your favourite. Let's just bring back them all. We got Paul Conrev, Cars 3 Lightning McQueen, Jackson Storm. We got Dinoco Cruz Ramirez. We got brand new Mattel here. And we got Francesco Bernoulli. So yeah, let me know in the comments below which is your favourite. Mine is Paul Conrev, then it's probably Cars 3 Lightning McQueen, then Cruz, then Francesco, then Jackson Storm, and then Mattel. Let me just bring out these two here too, because they are new to the case. So yeah, oh, and I completely forgot, I almost ended the review early, or the video early. This may not fit on the thing, so I may not show it, but if it does, well, I'll show a bit of it. Let's move these out of the way. I also recently got, if you follow me on Instagram, at Cars Diecast Reviewer, that I recently got this matte red playset, I should say, sorry. Let's just move the camera here. There is red, colour changes, and it comes with another variant, or a new release, of Fabulous Lightning McQueen, which is colour changes, as you can see. Let's try and show you the back here. It is made in Vietnam. I'm not exactly sure where it says it. It is made in Vietnam. So yeah, these playsets are now being made in Vietnam too. So yeah, that does end the video. Again, I'm just going to bring them back out just because these are just some cool colour changes, and colour changes are just very nice in general. Dinoco Cruz, and we got Lightning McQueen, and we got another Jackson Storm. So yeah, if I won't be doing a review on these, I've pretty much just done no review on them. But yeah, from Case K earlier today, let me know in the comments below who would you like to see reviewing first, after Ernesto and then Silver Cruz. Ernesto will be first, Silver Cruz will be second. I don't know who to do third. DJ, maybe Hank Halloween House, which I'm still supposed to do from the previous case, which I never did. Or yeah, yeah. Oh, and another thing, I did get these from Getmecollectibles. His eBay store is really easy to search up. Just search up Getmecollectibles on eBay. And yeah, this does bring the video finally to a close. It is already longer than the actual case unboxing, coming up to 10 minutes now. This is how long my videos will be from now on. So yeah, if you are new, please make sure to leave a like. Dislike if you dislike because of the colour changes. Subscribe if you're new. Hit that bell notification button down below to the next one. Bye guys.